Bonjour tout le monde! By now, hopefully you have watched the Personne Spéciale interview with my daughter at least a couple of times because you're going to need to know about that interview to some extent for this quiz. And hopefully you've also reviewed the different action words. The class stands up, the class sits down, and all that stuff. So if you have not yet done that, pause this, go back and review those things, and then come back to this. So if you are ready for your interrogation, your quiz, I need you to open up the exit quiz form on the main page of Schoology, and we'll get started. Okay. Remember, all these questions are just vrai, true, ou faux, false. Okay. Numéro 1, number 1. Elle s'appelle Victoria. Elle s'appelle Victoria. Numéro 2, number 2. Elle s'appelle Nictoria. Elle s'appelle Nictoria. Numéro 3, number 3. Elle préfère Vicky. Elle préfère Vicky. Numéro 4, number 4. Elle est en année 5. Elle est en année 5. Numéro 5, number 5. Elle est en année 3. Elle est en année 3. Numéro 6, number 6. For these next ones, it's the action. So if I am doing the thing that I'm saying, you're going to go ahead and put vrai, true. If what I'm saying and what I'm doing don't match up, put faux, false. Okay. La classe s'assied. La classe s'assied. La classe touche la tête. La classe touche la tête. Sorry, that was number 7, numéro 7. Numéro 8, number 8. La classe touche l'estomac. La classe touche l'estomac. Number 9, numéro 9. La classe touche les cheveux. La classe touche les cheveux. Numéro 10, number 10. French class is awesome. French class is awesome. There is a right answer. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you did well. Au revoir tout le monde.